Is that your jungle gym? Auntie Kathy and Auntie Johanna bought that for you. You love it. You're making that lion dance with your feet. They're all dancing. They're all dancing. Oh, good job. All that hard work making you have some toots. Yeah. Gonna get that one at the top. Just noticed it for the first time today. Hey, baby. Hi. Say hi to everyone. What about a smile? You give us a smile? You give us a big smile? No? Maybe later. You got it! Look at you! Good job! Make those hands and arms work. Good job, Jacob! Oh, watch out for the eye. Got the horse. Look at the horse dance. And the lion. Wow. Mom is so proud of you. Good job. Does it make little rattles when you hit it? Yeah, you're pretty proud of yourself too. Yes, you are. Hi, baby. Can we get a smile? Can we get a smile? Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah. Give us another one. Jacob. Yeah. Where are your smiles? Where are they? Yeah. You mugging for the camera? Yeah, you showing them how cute you are? What are you talking about? Tell them how your Auntie Kathy, your Auntie Johanna stayed the night last night? Yeah. And they fed you when you got up? And Mommy and Daddy got to sleep. That's a good story you're telling. Get it one more time. You get it? Good job, baby. Good job. That makes you happy. Yeah, you're a happy boy. Okay, Jacob.